Hello YouTubers, another video on how to replace the front wheel bearing driver's side on a 2016 Lexus IS 200T. Stay tuned. First of all, remove the wheels and tires. I believe 19 millimeters of my aftermarket wheels. Put a Milwaukee fan in there because it's hot, and go from there. Okay, so you turn the calipers to the right, and there's this bolt here, one there, right here, and there's another one back here, right here, size 19 millimeters. So take those out. All right, next up, after removing the rotors and calipers, there's 4 bolts that's holding the hub itself, this shield. So it's gonna be right here, 1, 2, 3, and of course we're missing 1 bolt. And this go hold by 17 millimeters. All right, so after taking the 4 bolts out, I gotta just use a hammer and knock the crap out of it. You can use your purse, either or. Just knock the crap out of it. So put the new one in there. This is how it goes. That, the face shield, and the 17 millimeter. Don't forget the electrical panel here. You gotta take it out and put it back in. So you're gonna torque the nut at 70 foot-pound. Alright, so for the caliper bolt, you torque it at 70 foot-pounds. Probably easier. Take the whole brake pads off and use a caliper here, C-clamp, to compress the piston brakes, and then slide the brake pads off again, and the brake pads on, and that's it. It's all put together, and then put the wheel back on, and that's it, all done.